Alright, it's showtime, people. Let's go! We don't have all day.
What's wrong with the sound?
Jeremy, is that you?
No.
Ha ha. Very funny. Quit it. We're on a tight schedule. I have to get my afternoon nap in soon. I hate my life. Ugh. This is not what I sound like. This is even worse. Who do you think you are, Jeremy? I ought to fire you, you purple jelly bean. I hope you get a sandwich with crust on it. Wait, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. No one deserves crust. Can we start the show now? Jeez. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Jeremy, where are you?
What's up, Leo?
Jeremy, I ought to fire you, you little... I hate my life.
I can never have a good day because people like you always ruin it. I hate you so much, Jeremy!